Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making this delicious Jamaican style cow skin soup. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Let me first get this out the way. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, pick up yourself. Now that was my cow skin that I cut into cubes. I'll be using carrots, scallions. I've got 2 packets of my Grace cock soup, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. Over here I've got some ready mixed dough, and all this is just plain flour, water and salt. I've got some pumpkin here. Now when I'm making soup, guys, I do like to just cut stuff into cubes. So that was my pumpkin. Now in this bowl here I've got some white yam, I've got some chocho, and I have a little bit of cocoa, but you can use any gram provisions that you like. You could throw a little banana, a little piece of dasheen, piece of this, piece of that, and yeah. Now first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pressure the cow skin. The cow skin tough already, so yeah, if you have time to slow cook this, then go ahead, but for me it's got to be done in a pressure cooker. Now to pressure your cow skin, you need obviously a pressure cooker. Now I went in for about 25 minutes. Now I added onions, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and a crushed vegetable and chicken bouillon cube. Now after this has finished pressuring, I transfer it to a pot and added it about couple of cups of water, 2 to 3 cups of water. Now let this come to a boil, and I'm going to start adding in my ground provisions. I do like to go with my pumpkin first, because once the pumpkin gets soft and you crush a few of them, you'll find that it gives the soup this really rich, nice, glorious looking soup color. Now I'm just gonna get my dough and just roll it in my hands to make my little dumplings. I did go in with some little round ones as well. Let this come to a boil for about 5 minutes, then start adding in the rest of my food. Went in with my diced carrots, chopped carrots, and then my yam and chocho and dasheen and stuff. Cocoa, sorry, not dasheen. But you can put dasheen in there, as I said before. Now I'm gonna let this come to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna just season the pot now. So I've added in my spring onions, my Scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, and I'm gonna go in with now my packets of cock soup. Let this simmer now for about another, I would say, 10 minutes. Now taste your pot. At this point I tasted the pot and it wanted a little bit of something, so I did go in with about a couple of tablespoons of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Now just let this simmer on a low heat for about another 10 minutes, and voila, your soup is ready. Now look at this richness. Now I do like when my soup, I don't like thick soup, so this is just right for me, because when I drink soup I'm supposed to belch. And there you have it, guys. Quick, easy cow skin soup. Let me tell you, see the flavor from this soup? Listen, niceness overload. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.